Hey, do you want to redo your house but you're not sure how much you can spend, should spend, or will spend? By the end of this video, you will know exactly how much you can spend and how to make that amount work for your home. For the best advice in home design, subscribe to this channel, hit the bell to be notified every Tuesday when I post a new video. My pre-designed room clients swear by me, so I know I can help you. So you're going to have your income column, which is all of the income coming into your home, and you're going to have the expense column, which is all the monthly expenses that you have: electricity, food, schooling, tuition, whatever it is that you have. One of those things are going to be home or home design. And the way that you can look at this is either as spending a whole chunk at once or spending a little bit every month, which is what a lot of people feel more comfortable doing in regard to their bank account. I'm actually curious to know if you know how much you spend in a month on fixed expenses, because so many people have told me that they don't actually know this amount. Comment if you know, comment if you don't. Either way, just go through your bank account, go through all of your expenses that come up every month, and input them into the spreadsheet. Okay, you now know exactly how much you can spend on your house. You're going to open a new spreadsheet and you're going to write the amount for a total of a year. So either the chunk amount that you came up with or the monthly installments times 12. You're going to write on this spreadsheet a list of all the items that you need for your house. So you take it by room, you go through what you're redoing, and you write down every single item that you need for this house. What you're going to do now is you're going to write the cost of each item next to it. And you can go about this in a few different ways. You can either go to my project cost calculation video, see how much everything costs, and input that into your spreadsheet. You can buy my pre-designed rooms, which will tell you exactly what to buy and how much everything costs, and input that into your spreadsheet. Or you can go and design the room yourself, but before buying any items, make sure you put all the links in one place and you take the prices of everything and you put it in your spreadsheet so that before you buy, you know that you are staying in your budget, because you want to make sure that at the end of this all, at the bottom of your spreadsheet, the sum amount is the same or less than the amount that you set aside to set on your home. And now that's it. You know exactly what you can spend and exactly where you're going to spend it. Just a little tip. Make sure you update the spreadsheet whenever you do purchase, that the final amount is the correct amount on your spreadsheet. And make sure that you leave some wiggle room margin for error. About 10% of your final amount should be for error. If you want to make your life easier, you can go ahead and download my Excel templates for budgets in the link below. Okay, so now that you know exactly how much you can spend, what should you buy? You can go check out my pre-designed rooms where you get all the info from paint to pillows needed off the site, including links, instructions, discount codes, anything else you need to know. The link is in the description. And if this video helped you, please like it, subscribe, and check out the project cost calculation video right over here.